Welcome to Little Bright Stars TV. Learn and play the happy way with bright stars every day.
Welcome to Little Bright Stars TV. Today we are learning numbers 1 to 20 in Spanish. 1. In Spanish, we say uno. 2. In Spanish, we say dos. 3. In Spanish, we say tres. 4. In Spanish, we say cuatro. 5. In Spanish, we say cinco. 6. In Spanish, we say seis. 7. In Spanish, we say siete. 8. In Spanish, we say ocho. 9. In Spanish, we say nueve. 10. 10. In Spanish, we say diez.
Great job, kids! You're so smart!
In Spanish, we say once. 12. In Spanish, we say doce. 13. In Spanish, we say trece. 14. In Spanish, we say catorce. 15. In Spanish, we say quince. 16. In Spanish, we say dieces. 17. In Spanish, say diecisiete. 18. In Spanish, we say dieciocho. 19. In Spanish, we say diecinueve. 20. In Spanish, we say veinte. Great job learning your Spanish numbers. See you next time on Little Bright Stars TV. Bye!
See you next time. Keep learning and shining.